New guest bathroom offers marble vanity, private tile to the ceiling shower with niche. New master bathroom features designer touches throughout. You will be delighted with the custom shower with large format tiles, multi-jet spa plus rain shower and oversized niche. Marble top double vanity is graced with modern sconces. Enjoy breakfast on the enclosed patio off the kitchen. Professional gas range with simmer feature, cold water pot filler and built-in microwave. 9-foot island offers farmhouse sink, commercial faucet, modern pendant lighting. Oversized dining room seats 10 guests comfortably with extra seating at the 10-foot breakfast and serving bar. Open concept kitchen opens to the dining room. You will love the new Perfect Chef's Kitchen complete with quartz counters, stainless appliances and loads of cabinets. Fantastic dining room offers lots of entertaining space overlooking the massive great room. 2-story dining room at the center of all the fun. Sun-filled windows offer the perfect backdrop for formal as well as casual dining. Custom glass French doors conceal the mirrored wet bar with glass shelving and new cabinetry. Open yet cozy with a great view of the upper floor. Just steps from the master suite, a lovely entertaining space. Separate conversational seating. Welcome to 3799 Courtside Terrace located in the heart of Peachtree Corner, Georgia. Multi-storied with floor-to-ceiling windows.